Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today I'm back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip. I'm here at my suite at the Palazzo. I love the Palazzo, one of my favorite stays when I'm here in Las Vegas. And today, well, I feel like shopping, so I'm going to head over to the Town Square Mall, which is right past the airport, which is pretty much south from here. I'm going to say a good 7, 8, 9 miles from here. So I'm not going to walk that, obviously. I'm going to take the Deuce, one of my favorite modes of transportation when I'm in town. And actually, this video is all about the Deuce. It's really not about shopping, because that's going to be the next video once we get to Town Square Mall. But today, it's all about the ride. This video is all about the ride from, I guess, Fashion Show Mall, which is where I'm going to pick the Deuce up, all the way down to Town Square Mall. It's early in the morning here, so lots to see. We'll pass all the hotels along the strip, all the sights and sounds and people on the bus, and it's going to be an exciting ride. And I'm not going to do too much commentating. I'll commentate when I feel the need, but it's going to be more of a sightseeing ride all the way to the Town Square Mall. All that being said, let's head downstairs, head across the street to the Fashion Show Mall, and get on that bus. Hold on tight. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Ah, looks like I finally got a better seat. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And in case you're wondering, a 2-hour pass on the Deuce is $6, a full day 24-hour pass is $8, and a 3-day pass 24 hours a day for 3 days is $20. And when you get that pass, it's not just good for the Deuce, it's good for other buses as well. So if you want to take the Deuce to, say, Caesars and then head over to the Rio, well, you just get off at Caesars and pick up another bus and it'll take you to the Rio. The pass is good all around town. The buses run 24 hours a day, and if you miss one, it's no big deal. There'll be another one coming within 10-15 minutes. And as far as the Deuce is concerned, it goes as far south as, well, pretty much where we're heading, and it goes as far north as the Fremont Street Experience, otherwise known as downtown Las Vegas. Coming up on the left will be the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign, the iconic sign. And not too much longer before we hit the Town Square Mall, which again is going to be a separate video, probably out in about a day or two here on the New York channel following this one. Lots of fine shops and restaurants. As a matter of fact, I have a wonderful lunch there, and that's going to be part of the video, so stay tuned for that. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. That's it for our sightseeing ride today. We're at the Town Square Mall. Again, lots of nice shops and restaurants here, so stay tuned. In about a day or two, that video will be coming out here on the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed the ride today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.